This faceless YouTube channel gets over 7 million views a month and is monetized, and it's actually making thousands of dollars just by creating extremely simple YouTube shorts. Most of their videos even have the same format. So we wanted to find out exactly how hard it is to make videos like these and grow a brand new faceless YouTube channel. You are not going to believe the results. We're going to show you how we created 60 of these YouTube shorts in under 60 minutes just by using 2 simple AI tools. And we've made the process so unbelievably simple for you that you will definitely want to kickstart your own faceless channel after watching this video. So hit that subscribe button and let's get started. The first step is to finalize the ideas for the 60 shorts we are creating. Now we've picked the number 60 because this way we have 2 shorts to post every single day for a complete month. Now, if we look at this channel, we can see that they have a few different categories or buckets of shorts that they are creating. And they distinguish these on the basis of stuff like boy facts or girl facts or love facts, etc. And we want to follow a similar approach for our quotes because these are clearly working extremely well for them. So we want to go ahead with 6 buckets, and that way we have 10 shorts under each, and that creates a total of 60 shorts. And here are the buckets we are going with. Now, once we have our buckets or categories, let's look at the shorts themselves. You can see that every quote they have is divided into 2 parts. The first part is like a build-up. It stays on for about 5 to 6 seconds, and then we get to the second part of the quote that has the lesson, which lasts for about 2 seconds. Now, this style is part of the reason for the success of these shorts because they build anticipation in the viewer with a good hook, and therefore the viewer wants to know what the end of the quote is. And we are going to mirror this approach by using quotes that are divided into 2 parts as well. And for this, we'll head on over to ChatGPT. Start by logging into your account, and then we are going to use the prompt box at the bottom of the screen to give the AI prompts for a list of 60 such quotes. Note here that how you write your prompts massively drives the success and quality of your results and therefore your videos. So for this particular format, we'll first give ChatGPT an example and ask it to use that format to share a few quotes. And you can see that with this prompt, we have taken care of a few different parameters. The number of quotes we want, so the nature and kind of quote we want, which is relatable and short, the format we want them in, the language and tone of voice we want, and examples of something that ChatGPT can reference. For the sake of making this even easier for you, we will share the exact prompt we have used in the description below, so you can just tweak the type of quote and you can keep generating unlimited ideas from ChatGPT. Now, once you press enter, the AI gives you the results in real time. Go ahead, read through to see if you want any changes, and if you do, just give it additional prompts. I actually want the first part to be more intriguing and action oriented, so I'm going to prompt ChatGPT to do the same. Now with that, we have our list of 10 posts, and what we can also do is ask ChatGPT to put this in a tabular form so that it's easy to track. So I'm going to prompt the AI to give me these in an Excel-like format with 3 columns, which is number, the first part, and the second part. And with that, as you can see, the results are ready. I can then just go ahead and paste these in a tool like Notion or Google Sheets. I'm going to be using Google Sheets here because that's just easier to track. And then we'll go ahead and do this for all 6 categories. Here is a list of all 60 quotes, and we got these in less than 5 minutes. Now, once you have your quotes ready, it's time to start creating your videos. For this, we'll head on over to Invideo and go to the templates tab. Now, this is the interesting part. We have already created 6 different template styles for you to use for your shorts. Simply search for YouTube Shorts template and you will find these right on top. We'll also link these in the description for easy access. Now, all you need to do is replace the text in these and you have a brand new short ready in under a minute. Let me show you. Simply click on a template of your choice. I am going to go ahead with this one, and then you click on use template to go to the editor. Here you have the canvas area in the center and the entire assets menu to the left. Now simply click on a text box on the canvas. We want to select the topmost one and we want it to say success motivation instead of deep motivation. And so we'll double click on it and it opens up the script box on the left. And here I'll just type out my own text and then I'll move on to the quote itself. Here again, you just double click on the text box and it opens the script box on the left. Now you will copy the first part of your quote from Google Sheets and paste it here. Now for the second part of the quote, simply drag your cursor on the timeline towards the end, and this brings up the second text box on the canvas. Now here again you repeat the process, just double click on it to open up the script box and paste the second part of your quote here. And now for the final part, you just need to add your channel's name at the bottommost text box. And with that, the short is ready in under a minute. Now simply go to the top right corner of your screen and hit export. We suggest exporting in 180p for the best results. And if you get stuck at any point or want additional assistance, you can click on this chat icon right above the timeline to access our 24/7 support team. The response time is less than 30 seconds. Alternatively, you can also access additional tutorials and articles on our help.invideo.io page. Now you can go ahead and use the same process for creating all 10 shorts, or you can switch things up and customize some of the templates to bring in more variety. And the process for that is also super simple. The easiest way to customize your short is to simply replace the background video. For this, all you need to do is go to the video tab in the left menu and here use the search bar to search for a similar clip to this one. We basically want something that is calming to look at and helps the viewer focus on the text itself. So I'm going to search for a sunrise time lapse or a sunrise video. And now we scroll through to find one that we like. I like this one. And now I'm simply going to drag this clip from here onto the canvas. This opens a pop-up window where I want to hit replace. And that opens another pop-up window where I want to trim the duration of the clip to match the duration of the scene. So I'll simply click this option at the bottom that says trim video to fit scene and then click on add, and this new clip has replaced the template default and you have a brand new look for your short. You can also go ahead and change the colors for some of the fonts to bring in even more variety. Let's say I want to change the background color for this bit that says success motivation. I can simply select the text box on the canvas and then I am going to use the menu on top to make the changes. So for background color, I'm going to choose the text effects option on the canvas. This opens a window on the left where I can just choose a different color for the background. Now, similarly, you can play around with the color of the text itself. You can also choose a different font, even choose a different animation. Although we would suggest to leave those the same so that you can save on precious time. Now, if you want to use the same customization for a bunch of different shorts, you can simply choose to duplicate this project by going to the top right corner of the screen and choosing this option that shows the aspect ratio. You simply click on the drop down and select the 9:16 aspect ratio. And what Invideo does is it duplicates the same project in a new tab. Here you can just change the text like we did before, and then you have multiple videos with the second background that you've chosen. So we are going to go ahead and use one template for creating 10 different shorts. 5 of these have been done simply by replacing the text in the default template. And for the other 5, we have just changed the background video. And all of this took us under 10 minutes to do. After this, I'm just going to replicate the process for all 60 shorts. And this actually took me less than an hour to finish. Now we're going to go ahead and open our brand new YouTube channel. And here we will upload all of these and schedule these to be posted over the next month. You can do this both from the desktop and your phone, although it's a lot easier and faster to do it from the desktop itself. Keep in mind that the templates all have trending music tracks added to them, so you can just go ahead and upload these as is. Now, while uploading, the most important thing to pay attention to is the headline and the hashtag. If we look at this channel, they have used 2 primary formats for their headlines. One is using the first part of the quote itself, and the second is using the term psychology fact or deep fact. As for their hashtags, they've pretty much stuck to 3, which is shorts, psychology facts, and subscribe. Now you can of course go ahead and mirror this approach, and that's what we are going to do with half of these shorts. For the other half, we want to experiment and put our learnings to the test from our own channel and research. So we want to write headlines that generate a sense of FOMO, or fear of missing out, and are also just 3 to 4 words long alongside using the hashtags. So for this, we will again go back to ChatGPT and open the previous thread we got the prompts from. And now in this thread itself, we are going to prompt the AI to give us headlines for the facts according to the format, and we'll give it a few examples to refer to and then hit enter. And as you can see, it has actually turned out pretty great headlines. I just actually want them a little bit shorter, so I'm just going to go ahead and prompt ChatGPT to do that. And with that, our headlines are ready. Now we are going to go ahead and start uploading our shorts. We are sticking with posting twice a day at 11 a.m. and 5 p.m. and that's what we'll go ahead and do for all the shorts for the month of August. And this is what that looks like. So now you also want to follow all of these steps and create all of your 60 shorts. And while you do that, we'll monitor the progress of this channel closely over the next month to see how these shorts do. and we will circle back with the results. So make sure you subscribe if you want to find out the result, and don't forget to check out this video to see how we bulk created 30 Instagram videos in one single day and how we created a faceless YouTube channel completely using AI tools.